Vintage film texture instantly adds nostalgic character when applied with restraint. Today, how to create vintage film grain speckles. Start Photoshop with a 1920 by 1080 canvas filled with a warm off-white tone. Add a new layer filled with 50% gray and apply Add Noise at about 55% Gaussian monochromatic. Change blend mode to overlay so grain blends naturally. Duplicate the layer, rotate slightly and lower opacity to prevent pattern repetition. Apply Gaussian blur at around 0.6 pixels to soften harsh pixels. Add a color balance adjustment clip to the grain and warm the highlights slightly.